Hello there again, and welcome to my ESXi 6.0 tutorial videos. And well, today we're gonna learn how to install VMware Tools on Linux. So it's pretty important to have VMware Tools installed for a multitude of reasons, and one of them is hardware monitoring and IP addresses shit. Like, so it enables you to see all the IPs and shit from the summary, and like resource location stuff, performance data, stuff like that, which you can't do without VMware Tools. So it's kind of like ESXi is blind and it can see what's going on. It can tell like how much it's draining RAM wise and CPU, but it can't draw patterns and shit. So it's better to just install it and let ESXi see the VM properly, see what's going on for real, not just the outside of it, but also the inside. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's pretty simple. So on Debian, you just go apt-get install, open VM Tools, and you press yes, and it goes. Pretty damn fast, as you can see. It depends on how fast your connection is, of course. So if you got a slow connection, it's gonna be slow. If you got a fast connection, it's gonna be fast. And it also depends on the hard drive speed, stuff like that, to set up all the things. Usually on an SSD, it flies. It's not an SSD here, so that's a problem. So as you can see, now we have the IP, it shows up there. So it shows VMware Tools running guest managed, and we have the IP address of this VM, which happens to be our web server, which we made on the previous video. And here he is running just fine with 2 vCPUs and half a gigabyte of memory. So there we go, we have VMware Tools installed, and if we happen to go to performance, it still doesn't work because we haven't restarted, which is pretty simple. You just reboot and it's gonna be snappy. Anyway, back to getting summary. Yeah, I should go back to summary. Oh, first of all, we gotta make sure to load the RAM disk, then we can release cursor and summary. So it's gonna wait for the VM to load. Oh boy, still loading. There you go. So log in. There you go. And now if we go to performance, it's still not showing up. What do you mean? Oh, there you go. So it was a matter of updating, and as you can see, it does show the performance peaks, how it's using CPU and stuff from RAM, and oh, it's just CPU actually, megahertz. So it's pretty cool. You can keep track of the usage and see when it peaks and when it doesn't peak. It's very useful for a web server, so you can tell like when people is actually stressing your web server with visits. So that's excellent. And then you have an event log where you can keep track of what's going on with this specific VM, who's logging into that, who's done changes to the settings, stuff like that. So you can fire that that worker that messes up with your VMs on purpose. So the system keeps track of that. But that's pretty much it. As you can see, there is not a lot to it. It's pretty simple to install, and you're ready to go. You have VMware Tools installed, and if like you're running a graphical interface, you're gonna be able to full screen. You're gonna be able to do all the fancy stuff that VMware Tools lets you do. But of course, you cannot drag stuff because this is not workstation. It's ESXi, but still pretty cool, right? So now you have your IPs and you have the best performance, best drivers, best things that work best in ESXi. So I hope it helped. If you guys have any questions, comment section is down below. Feel free to leave feedback if you wish. leaving a like or not leaving a like, it's fully up to you. See you and take care.